Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's lesson is about whether we can change the default Microsoft Access icon. And yeah, of course we can. It's super simple. Just right-click it and send it to the desktop as a shortcut. And it's better to move the original file away from the desktop so it doesn't accidentally get deleted. Now we go back to the shortcut file and open the properties. From the icon section, you'll see ready-made icons like you can see here, or you can upload your own image, but it has to be an icon format. We hit apply and the icon changes completely. Mission accomplished. And from these nice icons to the program, today's idea is basically how to change the icon. The only condition is that you have to turn it into a shortcut first. Then you can change the icon easily. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get all the new content. See you.